Good morning. Another fine morning, another glorious day. 8:20 this morning. They're very late starters around here. They were up very late last night, to be fair, and so they don't get up early, but that's okay. Something very weird happened last night. I woke up about 1 in the morning, just almighty loud noise of this terrible karaoke singing. I mean, really out of key, out of tune, a man and a woman. I thought, what's going on? I was only half awake. And I thought, is there some sort of cabaret that goes on here that I missed out on? And as I sort of came out of my slumber, I sort of looked out the tent, and there's a little sort of group of tents over there, and they had a fire going, and they were just playing extremely loud music. I mean, really loud. But it wasn't just music; it was bloody awful. It was Mongolian kind of local kind of chanty music, but God, it was rotten. It was so out of key, and it kept repeating itself. This went on for about an hour. Well, after about an hour of me trying to get back to sleep, I eventually got my brain together and got like noise cancelling headphones, and I put those in, and I was all right. But boy, never get away in England. They'd lynch you in England, I swear, if you did that in the UK. But no, they didn't mind it around here. They loved a bit of that. Anyway, I'm here. I'm going to fill my water bottles up, and I've got a Steri pen just in case this water is a bit funny, but I think it'll be fine. Christ. God, it's ice cold. Oh, I'm not joking. That's ice cold, that is. Oh, look. Look. Over there. Looks like a morning yoga session started up. I didn't see the memo board. Did you see it when we came in? Oh, I forgot to bring my mat. I've got my inflatable mat, won't work with it. Oh, I just got to miss out on this one. Damn. Okay, so I've had my breakfast. Time's cracking on, but I'm in no real rush. The main this is the national park area, which is the closest pretty place to Ulaanbaatar by looking at the map. To get anywhere else, there's some really lovely places in Mongolia, but they're just a long way away. And in between here and there, there's just lots of huge open plains. It's very pretty, but you know, it's a long way. So just over there, that way through there, is the valley, and there's lots of the tourist sort of ger camps through there. And there's lots of little tracks that go off as well, up into the hills a bit more, which I'm going to try and find. I've sort of made some routes. I've got 3 to 4 different areas I want to look at. But it's a Saturday. There's a lot of car movement, lots of cars going through there, so I have no idea if it's going to be crazy busy, or I'm going to be able to find a spot, or even in the next few days be able to sort of stay in this area. I don't know. We will see. So we'll start packing up shortly, and then we'll head out. Okay. You can see me in that one there. Oh, look, so horses down here. A bit cloudier today, but that's okay. Tell you what, it's busy. Tourists. Of course, I don't put myself in that category. Adventure, I tell you, adventure. Interesting. Yeah, this sort of thing, like everything's lots of fences everywhere. I'm not very pleased about. So I'm a little bit fed up with where we are. It's a beautiful place, but it's like all the hotels have claimed it all. Even this park I'm on now, down there's a gate. Although it doesn't look like this has been shut for ages. They put a no entry sign, a parking sign. There is like a hotel up here, but it's kind of like, oh, it's only for us. But this is a path that goes all the way around this here, according to my map. I think that's a dead end. Gone. We'll have a look up here, then we'll turn around, I think. Not happy boy. Pretty precious. So we'll have a look up here, but I like the look of that around the back there somewhere. That looks pretty cool. That's brand new, that, look at that, brand new. Now there's even anyone using it. Stop. There we go. You can do it. There we go. Just about to get back oh. Holy shit. Wow. That looks like a good spot. We can get round there and maybe up there. See how that goes. There's nowhere down there, obviously. That isn't as nice. It's just about getting this bit here. Actually, not as steep. Not that bad. Cool. the spot. That's the spot. Oh, wow. How beautiful is this? Well, with all my moaning, the hotels have got all the land, and technically they have. I managed to get through up the top here, which is beautiful. I'll tell you what, this place, stunning, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, hopefully I can stay here tonight and not get disturbed. Have a look through here. There's a little trail through here. So where does this lead? Oh, I'll turn around a bit. Let's have a quick look through here. See what's on the other side. Pretty sure I couldn't get the bike through here, so we may just stay where we are. It's always nice to see what else there is. Oh. Yeah, look. Whoa. Oh my days. Oh my days. How beautiful. Just give you some kind of idea of where I am. Where I am. Just down there. Well, it's not supposed to rain until this evening, about 3 in the morning, but I'm telling you, those clouds are telling a very different story. Better get the tent up quick. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. That's the tent all up. Yeah, look at that. Cool. Now we've got we're going for dinner. Should we have a look? See what's in the. Can't remember. Was it in this side? No. Let's come around here. See what we got in here. There we go. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. That's dirty clothes. Don't look at dirty clothes. It's clean clothes first aid kit. Now we've got 5 bean cassoulet. I do like the sound of that, I've got to say. Chili non carne. Maybe. Porridge. Ooh, what's this big one? Mushroom risotto. Possible. I did say sure I saw something like that. Yeah. Oh, it's raining again. I think we're going to go for the. Oh, I don't know. I can't make my mind up. What's this one? Couscous with Cajun spices and vegetables. Maybe. Right, well, we went for the Cajun couscous at the end, and it was a bumper-sized pack, and it took quite a while to eat all of that, I can tell you. Well, the rain's held off now. I had a little bit, and now it's all gone. Oh, what else is there to say? Well, today was only a short day. I think, about 16 kilometres. It's like nothing. So I haven't actually come very far at all. And tomorrow, the plan was to go to the valley. It's just behind me here. There's more of these Gur camps and hotels in there. Hopefully, I'll find somewhere to camp. There is a little trail I found on the map that I'm going to try and get to. Otherwise, I think that's about everything at the minute. Nothing much more to report, I think. So anyway, thanks for watching again. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you the next episode, which will be tomorrow, and I'll be having my morning oats and a nice coffee, and let's hope it's not raining too much. Thanks again. Take care. Bye bye. Yes, it's been raining. Lunch is rehydrating. Really what this whole thing was about. Reassuring.